Right, just down at Mendevere, I was just talking about floods and stuff, and then I've just paid my checks into the bank, and I've just come across what's called the New Bridge, and it's absolutely just the Trent has broke banks big time. So I'm just walking down to show you. State McGovern's over there. Look how bad it is down here at the bottom. Also, there's a little bridge. I say little bridge, it's quite a bridge, something like 18th century bridge called the Ferry Bridge. I'll walk across it. It's nearly off that. But all the ponds and stuff, they're all just fucking swimming about. At the bottom, you'll see in a minute. Look at this. Totally flooded. This place here. Totally flooded. So this is the bridge. 1889. British boy, the gift of Michael Others, Baron of Burton. It's really rich, but check out the level. Totally flooded that garden. Jesus Christ. It's high. Like that high. This is actually called the Washlands because it just gets flooded all the time. But you can see how close it is. Not from that you can't, but you can see how high it is. All across the Washlands. Let's go and look at some swans. Man, I've seen it high before. You can see over there, like the railings, that they can walk. There's a swan. Small swans down here. Well, normally you can walk down there. It's fast as well. It's such a big swirl. Man, keep getting more rain like this. We're in deep shit. Well, people who live in Burton are anyway. All the seagulls are down. Seagulls. All the swans are down here. Look. That was a bin. Hey, yeah. That's underwater. Scrapping. What are you doing with all this water? They're having to look under the ground for stuff. Mad. I bet you're hungry. You can't normally get to your stuff. Huh? Bit of bread there. You look like you're actually going to come up here, which is not a good idea. Ah, savage you beasts are. Okay, I'm going now, because you're going to have me. As you can see, it's pretty damn flooded. Pretty fast too. Torrent's really fast. This one's just going to go with the flow. You can see over there the actual Staple Hill Gardens. Mad.